These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-yoon has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Ka-young.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are